Well, we did it! It is the last day of 2020. Hello all my Patreon people, all kidding aside, all the bad things that happened in 2020 to us globally, the basement did pretty well. We had a few high marks. We hit 5 million views as a channel after producing videos for a little bit over 3.5 years now. We also hit 40,000 subscribers. We hit 25,000 comments that we replied to. And after moving some things around financially and with the support of you all, I was able to bring my wife on part-time to help out with a few things, and that has freed me up greatly. So much appreciated there. As always, we're working on a ton of projects and we did a ton of cool things in 2020, and that will continue on into the next year. I am currently testing the robot arm, and I have to say, still the coolest thing that it does is pick things up and put them back down. Still very satisfying to watch. And other projects, we just completed the Ender 3 enclosure build. That video came out a couple of days ago, and the stats on it have gone crazy. I don't really understand why, but you can see my gray line there, what I usually get on a video like this, and we're way ahead on the enclosure video. So even being this far in, this many years, I still don't understand how YouTube works, but we'll dredge on. Personally, I think there was a lot more interesting videos in 2020 than an Ender 3 enclosure build, but whatever works. Now, coming up next year, we have a lot of things. The usual break-fix type of stuff that I like to see. It doesn't work, let's make it work. But we have a lot of new machines coming that might not have been seen on other channels, as well as a few innovations. And I'm really excited to share those with you, especially as Patreon supporters. Just the things that I can think of off the top of my head, we have some new boards coming up from MakerBase as well as Big Tree Tech, some add-on modules like a UPS device and an add-on stepper driver module that will be for riprap, and you can use it in Marlin. I still want to do the Marlin and riprap compare, and right at the beginning of the year, I hope to start on a Voron Zero build. We'll do that in a bunch of live streams, so that should be a lot of fun. As well as we will continue on with the 3D printer fix-up. Mainly, I just wanted to make this quick video today to wish you all Happy New Year. I know things are going to go a lot smoother in 2021, and we're going to get back to normal very soon. As always, thank you very much to all the Patreon supporters. This really helps the channel grow, and I will see you very soon in the new year.